welcome back to your own channel Maths Mela, where we are discussing the academics of mathematics grade 10 board. So today let's start with somewhat new topic, that is chapter number 7, coordinate geometry. Recently we have covered chapter number 6, that is triangle. Hopefully you have understood that topic completely. The important parts from the chapter number 6 were BPT, that is basic proportionality theorem, Thales theorem. Then the second one is what? Pythagoras theorem. And just before Pythagoras theorem, there was a theorem, theorem 6.7, where the statement of that theorem was, if the perpendicular taken from the vertex of the right angle triangle to the hypotenuse, then the newly two formed triangles are similar to each other, as well as these both triangles are similar to the original triangle. This is what one of the important theorem. After that, Pythagoras theorem. Now, what was there in the Pythagoras theorem? In Pythagoras theorem, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of squares of the remaining two sides. Okay, this was what Pythagoras theorem. And of course, out of these three theorems, one theorem will be surely there in your board exam. And the mostly what sums from the exercise number 6.5. Okay, then we also have studied the criteria of similarity. What were the criteria of similarity of two triangles? Number one, AA, that is double A or angle. So two angles of one triangle equal to another angle of another triangle. Then this is what? Two triangles are similar by AA rule. After that, SAS, if the corresponding sides of two triangles are in the same ratio. What it is? If two pairs of corresponding sides of any two triangles are similar, then what we can say, these two triangles are similar if the angle included between these two sides are equal. This is what SAS. Two sides are in the same ratio and angle included between them is what? It to be equal. Then after that it comes triple S. When in any two triangles the corresponding three sides are in the same ratio, then these two triangles are called similar by triple S. And the next one is what? The last one is triple E. Means all the three angles of one triangle are equal to the corresponding three angles of another triangle. Then these two triangles are said to be what? Similar. So these are where the highlights of chapter number 6. Hopefully you have understood. Needs a practice. Okay. So before starting with the chapter number 7, let's start with a thought. And the thought of the day is, worry will never change the outcomes. What does it mean? It means that whatever the situation, whatever the problems you are facing, if you will worry, if you will start worrying about these problems, then will the problems solve? Never. It will never happen that if you will start worrying, the problem will be solved. It won't happen. So the best thing is what? Stop worrying. Try to understand what the problem is, then go through the problem and try to find out the possible solution. You may be getting 2, 3 or more answers. So the next step will be what? Out of these more or whatever the possible solutions are there, out of that you have to find out the best workable solution. And after doing that, apply it and you can overcome from that problem. So again one more time, worry will not change the outcomes. Okay, so what you can do is stop worrying and start thinking over the problem. Now let's go on the next sum, that is sum number 6. Before this, the first 5 sums are done yesterday itself. Okay, before starting with the exercise number 7.1 and question number 6, I would like to repeat the formulas. That is what yesterday we have done, the distance formula. Distance formula, it is nothing but the finding the distance between 2 points. So the distance formula, suppose A and B, 2 points are there, then AB is equal to under root x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Then the next formula, that is what section formula, can be given as, suppose any line segment AB is intersected by any one point M, say M of xy, then the coordinate of x and y can be found by using section formula as M of x comma y is equal to M2 x1 plus M1 x2 divided by M1 plus M2, comma M2 y1 plus M1 y2 divided by M1 plus M2. Okay, then the next one is what? Midpoint formula, where the midpoint, say line is what? AB, and M is what? The midpoint of AB. Then the coordinates of M of xy can be found by using the midpoint formula as M of x comma y is equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2 comma y1 plus y2 upon 2. So these are what the three formulas which we are going to use here. Right now, question number 6. The question is what? Name the type of quadrilateral formed, if any. Here are what? The 4 coordinates are given, or 4 vertices are given. So let's go ahead. Let A is equal to minus 1 comma minus 2, B is equal to 1 comma 0, C is equal to minus 1 comma 2, and D is equal to minus 3 comma 0. Here you can name them as x1 y1, for your simplicity x2 y2, x3 y3, and x4 y4. What you have to do is you have to find out first what is AB, what is BC, what is CD, and what is AD, the gap between all these 4, and then we will find out that what type of quadrilateral it is. Okay, so let's go on. Therefore, by distance formula, once only you have to write out by distance formula, say AB square is equal to, now for A and B we are going to use x2 and x1. Okay, so it will be x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. This now put the value and find the answer. Okay, so what is x2? It is 1 minus of minus 1, that is 1 plus 1 square, plus 0 minus of minus 2 is what? Plus 2. So it will give you 1 plus 1, 2, square of 2 is what? 4. Again 0 plus 2 is what? 2, square of 2 is what? 4. So it is what? 2 into 4. Therefore AB can be written as root of 2 into 4, or this 4 will come out as 2 and then 2 root 2. Okay, so this is what? Equation 1. Now similarly, now next things you have to just go on finding. Okay, so BC square is equal to what? Right, BC square, now B and C this one, so minus of 1 square plus 2 comma 0 square. So obviously this what? Minus of minus 1 is 2, minus 2 square is what? 4, and then again 4. So this will be also 2 into 4, and therefore BC is equal to, again same thing, root of 2 into 4 or 2 root 2, equation 2. Now similarly CD, we will find out what is CD square, C and D. So again it is what? Minus 3 minus of minus is plus 1 square plus 0 minus 2 square. Now what? Minus 3 plus 1, that is what? Minus 2. Minus 2 square is what? 4, and then again 4. So again it will be what? 2 into 4. So CD is also under root of 2 into 4, that is 2 root 2, equation 3. Okay, after that AB square. So what is AB square? A and B. So minus 3. Minus into minus plus 1 square, then 0 minus of minus 2, that is plus 2 square. It means here again we are getting the same thing, that is AB is equal to 2 into 4 or 2 root 2, equation 4. Now observing from 1, 2, 3 and 4, what did you get? AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD. Now all four sides are same, equal. So there are two possibilities. Either it can be a square or it can be a rhombus. So we need to find out diagonal. What is that? What are the diagonals? Therefore AC square. Now where is A and C? A and C, that is minus 1 minus 1. Okay, so minus 1 plus 1 square. Because minus 1 then minus of minus 1. Okay, then 2 minus of minus 2, that is square. So it will be this minus 1 plus 1 is what? 0, and then 2 plus 2 4. 4 square is what? 16. So AC is equal to under root 16, so 4. Okay, equation 5. Now the second diagonal. Similarly, BD is equal to what? Let's see. Minus 3 minus 1 square plus BD minus 3 minus 1, 0 and 0. Okay, so 0 plus 0 square. So minus 3 minus 1 is what again? 4. So here square of 4 is 16. Therefore BD is equal to root 16 is equal to 4. Equation 6. Now from 1, 2, 3, 4, all the four sides are what? Equal. And from 5 and 6, the diagonals are also equal. So surely if the diagonals are equal and all four sides are equal, so it should be a square. Simply you can write therefore from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Directly answer is what? ABCD is a square, because the diagonal is also what? Equal. Now similarly, sum number 2 or 3. Right now I am giving this to sum as home fun. Okay, because same sums are there. First you have to find out the first four sides. After finding that first four sides, it may be possible all four sides are equal, then go for the diagonal. It may be possible that any two sides are equal and other two sides are also equal. So the two cases are possible, parallelogram or rectangle. Then after that again you have to find out the diagonals. If opposite sides are equal and the diagonals are also equal, then it will be a rectangle. If opposite sides are equal but the diagonals are not equal, that time it will be a parallelogram. Okay. Let's read the sum number 7. The point A is on x-axis, which is at equidistance from point B 2, minus 5, and point C minus 2, 9. And the point A is on x-axis. So automatically, if it is on x-axis, so its y coordinate need to be what? 0. Okay. So let's find out how it will be. What is given? Accordingly, we will work. Given that it is AB is equal to AC. So if this is the thing, so obviously their squares will also be same, that is AC square. Now what? By distance formula, what we can do, we can find out. Okay, by distance formula. Now how to find out AB square? It is simple, A and B. This is A and this is what B. So x2 minus x1, that is what? X minus 2 square plus 0 minus of minus 5 is what? 5 square is equal to AC. So again x minus of minus 2 will give you x plus 2, and then 0 minus 9 is what? Minus 9 square. Right? Since both the squares are equal, now just equate them. X minus 2 by using a minus b whole square. It will give you x square plus b square is 4 minus of 2ab, that is 2 2s are 4, and then x plus 25 is equal to x square plus 4 plus 2 2s are 4x plus 81, because the square of minus 9 is what? 81. Now what can we cut? x square with the same number. Here it is minus 4 and here also it is plus 4. So what we will do, minus 4 and minus 4 will give you minus 8x plus 29, these two numbers, and then 4 and 81 will give you 85. Is that okay? Then minus 29 it will be, so minus 8x is equal to 85 minus 29. That will give you minus of 8x. 85 minus 29. So from 85, 30 we will remove. So the answer will be 55. And then 1 you have to add in that. So that is 56. So 56. And your x is equal to 56 upon minus 8. That is minus 7. 8 7 is a 56. So what is the value of x? It is minus 7. Okay. Now let's find out what the coordinates of A is what? Minus 7 comma 0. Okay. Now the sum number 8. Now the sum number 8 is what? The distance between point P and Q is equal to 10 units, and the coordinate of P is 2 comma minus 3 and coordinate of point Q is 10 comma y. We have to find out the value of y. How it is? Let's see. It is what? Given P is equal to 2 comma minus 3, Q is equal to 10 comma y, and PQ is equal to 10. Therefore what? By distance formula. Okay, that is what? PQ square is equal to 10 minus 2 square plus y minus 1 minus plus 3 square. Okay, that is, we know that PQ is 10, so 10 square, and then 8 square is 81 plus y square plus 3 square is what? 9. Then 2 into 3 6y. So finally we will get 100 is equal to y square plus 6y plus 90. Okay, or this 100 we will take that side, so it will become therefore y square plus 6y minus 10 is equal to 0, because 100 will become minus 100. Now by quadratic equation you can find it out very easily. Okay, now it is what? One mistake. We know that PQ square is what? PQ is what? 10. So it is 10 square. 8. 10 minus 2 is what? 8. So it will be 64. And then y square plus 3 is a 9 plus 6y. Therefore the final answer is what? Y square 6y. 64 plus 9. It is what? 73 minus 100 is equal to 0. Or it will be y square 6y minus 27 is equal to 0. Now it is what? A quadratic equation. So by splitting the middle term or by using the quadratic formula, everything is fine. Now 6y, the factors of 27, it is 9 into 3. Since it is minus 27, so one should be negative, other should be positive. Since this is positive, so the bigger one should be positive. So it will become what? Y square plus 9y minus 3y minus 27 is equal to 0. And final answer is what? Y plus 9. Okay, y is what? Common, so y plus 9, and then here in bracket it will be what? Y is remaining, and then here also y plus 9, it means 3. Okay, so what is your y? Not plus, into it will be, so y is equal to minus 9 or y is equal to 3. Sum number 9. Let's see the diagrammatic representation of sum number 9. P is a point with coordinates 5, minus 3. R is point with coordinate x, 6. Okay, and Q is equal to what? 0, 1. Right? First we have to find out the value of x, and then after that we have to find out the value of RQ and PQ. And moreover, it is given that PQ is equal to RQ. Okay, so what is given? PQ is equal to RQ. So by distance formula, again same thing. So what is PQ square? RQ square. So what is PQ? If you will think about the PQ square, so 5 minus 0. Okay, so it will be 5 minus 0 square plus 5 minus 0 square plus minus 3 minus 1. Minus 3 minus square minus 1 square, and then RQ square, that is x minus 0. It means, let me write down x minus 0 only first, then 6 minus 1 square plus 6 minus 1 square. Now 5 minus 0 is 5, so it will be what? 25 minus 3 minus 1 is what? Minus 4, minus 4 square is what? 16, then x square, then 6 minus 1, 5, that is what? 25. This 25 will get cancelled, and x square is equal to 16. So this implies x is equal to 16 or plus minus 4. Right or no? X is equal to plus or minus 4. R square is equal to. Okay, so what is QR? It is this one, that is x minus 0 square plus 6 minus 1 square. So what is x plus minus 4? That is, so it is what? X square it will be, and then 6 minus 1 is what? 25. So x square we know that it is what? 60 plus 25. Okay, so this is what QR square. So what is QR? 25 plus 16, that is 31, 41. Okay, and which is equal to what? It is given PQ. Okay, so the value of QR square or PQ square is equal to 41. Therefore, QR is equal to PQ is equal to under root of 41 units. Okay, that is sum number 10. What is given in that? Let's read. So in sum number 10, means here we just have to represent the equation. Okay, given, that is what again? APPB, APBP. Okay, so by distance formula, again same. Therefore AB square is equal to BP square. Now how to find out AP square? A is equal to what? 36xy. Okay, so x minus 3 and plus square plus y minus 6 square. Okay, is equal to minus 3 or x plus 3 square plus y minus 4 square. We are going to represent the relation only, so we don't have to find out the value of x and y. Just will make an equation and we keep it like this only. So it will be what? X square minus 3 square is what? Plus 9, and then 2 into 3 is what? 6x, then y square plus 36 minus 12y, then again x square plus 9, 3 2s are 6x plus y square plus 16 minus 8y. Okay, so here what will happen? X square cancel, y square and y square gets cancelled. Then anything else? Right now nothing. So what we'll do? We'll bring all the variables together. That is 6x. Then this plus 6x will also become minus 6x. Then minus 12y. This one, and then here it is minus 8y, so it will become plus 8y, and the numbers 9 and 16, that is equal to what, 25, and then 9 and 36 is what, 45, but here it is minus. Okay, so minus 6x is what, minus 12x, then minus 12 plus 8 is equal to 4y, and is equal to minus 45 plus 25, so minus 20. So finally every number is what, divided by 4, right? So it will become minus 3x minus y and minus 5. Or what you can do is take that side and this side, so it will become simply 3x plus y is equal to 5. So this is what a relation. Okay, so here we have completed exercise number 7.1. Before closing today, let's repeat the thought of the day today. Worries will not change the outcomes. Okay, so the whatever outcomes are there, do not sit at home or do not sit at one place and think that what will happen, when this will go, when the corona will be okay, and when we will be coming out from our home. It will never solve the problem. Okay, so if really you want to solve the problem, so just believe in yourself and start working instead of worry. So this is what the full stop today, and then surely you will be waiting for your next video at your own channel Maths Mela. Till that time, be happy, be at home. Thanks a lot.